Hello, in this video we'll be talking about the electrical changes that flow produces in your brain. As I said, these are related to brain waves. In total there are 5 types of brain waves. There's alpha, beta, gamma, delta and theta. They work on different levels, they're active during different stages of the day, but most of the day we have beta brainwaves. So the beta brainwaves are the default. They're divided into 2 sections. There's a lower frequency beta, which is the default, and the higher frequency beta, which usually happens when you're a bit more stressed, when you're anxious. So those are going to take you further away from flow. And then as you approach flow, you can get alpha brainwaves. Alpha brainwaves are a bit slower. They're lower frequency. They happen during meditation, for example, daydreaming. So when you're a little bit going towards the subconscious. And then when you approach flow state, or when you get into flow states, you're going to experience theta waves, which again are lower frequency. They happen during flow, dreaming, and very deep meditation. At the same time, during flow, you can experience very fast brainwaves as well. These are called the theta brainwaves. So these are called the gamma brainwaves. So the theta brainwaves are the slower ones. The gamma brainwaves are the very fast ones. So it's possible during flow to experience different kinds of brainwaves, and this is exceptional because in a normal state of the day, in a normal moment, you cannot be experiencing 2 different kinds of brainwaves. And then finally, we've got the delta brainwaves. The delta brainwaves only happen when you're in a sleep, when you're very fast asleep and everything in your brain slows down. It's recovering from a intensive flow session maybe, or after a heavy day at work. You're in deep sleep. Delta, very low frequency brainwaves happen in your brain to make sure everything gets back on track, everything recovers well, so that you can perform again the next day. That's it about brainwaves. I hope it's clear. If not, please just drop a comment, ask a question. I'd be happy to explain everything in further detail. And you can also go to the website where there's full information about brainwaves, chemical changes, anatomical changes, and even the flow cycle.